To my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be talking about the Verychat token. I'll be talking about particular Very token because a lot of people are not actually taking the particular project serious, most especially the Node NFT. So we are close to 18 and 4,000 watch hour. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that next time I will upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll drop you the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So see, like what I've actually been saying, that don't joke with this particular not the NFT of this particular token called Verychat. If you still wants to join, I tell you sincerely, and for you to actually get your referrals and get this particular node, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular, because currently now this particular not the NFT, the worth is around over $500, and you know what it means. That is over 700 plus in Nigeria. There are still some speculation that when the transfer of this particular another NFT is available, that the price will actually skyrocket into thousands of naira. And not just that alone, these people also will be opportune to be able to earn, yes, to be able to earn Verychat another token from this particular Verychat ads. I'll be doing a separate video to explain everything that I've actually been saying, but this is a special thing for us because I've created a particular video on how to this particular one, but I think a lot of people are unable to see. That's why I'm doing recreating another video on this. So this is also this Verychat token, but this one is on Telegram. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description, and for the Verychat app, I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video, because I know you'll be surprised that I have over 3 million plus Verychat token. This is not the Verychat token, but actually the point which is actually connected to my Verychat app, that anytime that they are getting listed, this particular point will be converted to Verychat token, which will be sent to my Verychat app. Yeah, so this is how to do it. After you have actually joined, this is what you need to do. Is all like a tap stuff. When you tap on this particular one, let me tap on it. You could see, but I don't actually have time. So you can come to this particular box. It's just like a lucky ball. You see, I got 50,000 naira. Sometimes I could get this 10,000. Sometimes I could get 100,000. Sometimes it could be around 5,000. Okay, you could see now it is around 5,000. So I'm trying to make sure that I actually get to 5 million Verychat point, because if you come to this particular aspect that has to do with invite, let me show you. It has to do with invite. If you're able to invite people, I've been able to invite over 20 plus, which is I'm in level 6, which is also the same thing on the Verychat app. So they have given me 500,000. So if I'm able to invite 50 people, I'll be giving 1 million of this particular point. And if I come to this particular end section, you'll be able to do every task here. If you're able to do it, it will skyrocket your points. So this is it now. As you can see now, it said download Verychat. This is the app. You'll be given 100,000. So when you go to your Verychat app, there's what you see there. It is your username. You can see mine now, crypto one. When you put it, it will actually link this your Telegram Verychat to the one in your wallet. So everything will actually synchronize with everything that you're actually doing. But let me quickly show you something here. I'm currently in Planetarium in this particular very one, and you can see it now, and it is even very easy. It's very easy, because when you see from 0 to 100,000 is the bronze level, from 100,000 to 300,000 is the silver, gold is 300,000 to 1 million, and platinum is 1 million to 5 million, and this the highest is the 5 million. So I encourage my community member and everybody watching this particular video to try as much as possible. It is possible, it is doable to be at this particular diamond level, because there's more to it. You could see, because there are a lot of opportunity to this very one. And you could see they say Verychat claim pre-listing plus special present. This special, it is possible they distribute nodes for those who are actually at this particular diamond level, and you cannot say the amount of node that will actually be distributed to them. So for those in this platinum level where I belong to, you could see they say very claim at pre-listing. No, I want this one which is very claim pre-listing plus this particular. So you see, they say your score will be converted to a specific ratio before the listening and paid out in very coin. So this is an opportunity for us to get paid in very coin. I know the particular ratio that it will actually be used for this particular ratio of this particular giving of this particular very token. I know it will be more profitable than when you actually mine using the Verychat app. So these are what I say I should share with everyone of us. If this was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you can never upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.